Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to find XM MT5 account login details. First, log into your XM account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the account's overview page. Here, select the account you want to access. You can switch between real accounts and demo accounts as needed. To access a demo account, click Demo. To access a real account, click Real Accounts. If you have multiple accounts, scroll down to find the one whose MT5 login details you want to view. After selecting the account, click on Trade. Next, go to More Options and choose the platform you want to use to log in to your MT5 account. Select MT5 app and click the arrow to expand the section. Here, you'll find all the information needed to log in to your MT5 account. You will need the MT ID, this number, and the server details. Write down this information, then open your MT5 or MetaTrader app and log in using these details. And that's it! This is how you can easily find your XM MT5 login details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.